at this stage, I would say that you must do your business planning and study very well to make sure that there is a problem, that your solution is going to fit, is going to be a market fit. At some point, if there is no market fit for your product, it's definitely going to be a failure. And so I would say more than 50%, I don't even know how the stat, of the startups die because of this. They haven't found the problem properly. So this is the one. The second one is that basically status quo. In my opinion, is very important, right? What's out there that is similar to what you're trying to commercialize. Maybe example, I can say that, okay, I invent a food that is delicious, it's cheap and it's fast, and the novelty of it is it never burns. You can keep it 2 hours in the oven. It doesn't burn. It's made of non-material. I'm just putting an example, right? And so, but what I'm against pizza. The technology out there is delicious, it's cheap, it's fast, and never burns. You know, if you have the timer, there's a timer, so you don't have an issue. So if your product, if your idea is going to go against pizza, it's not just the pizza. You need to fight against the supplier, against the distribution of pizza, against the insurance of pizza, so against the grocery store that sells frozen pizza. So it's a gigantic uphill if we don't validate basically that aspect of status quo